If you have a mobile phone or a computer, then you can easily do this and earn money. This is how much money you can earn. On day 1, you can earn $150, and on day 2, you can earn $350, and on day 3, you can earn $550. And this method today is super easy for new beginners, and this is 100% free. So do not worry, because this opportunity is available in all countries in the world. In this quick video, I'm going to show you how to sign up for a free account, and I'll share with you a lot of tips that can help you make even more money with this method. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, hello and welcome to EarnPal, where we teach you how to make money online every single day. Make sure to subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we upload a new video on how to make money online. Please give this video a big thumbs up and leave us a comment down below. And now let's get into the video. First of all, I want you to visit the website Univox Community at www.univoxcommunity.com. So right here on this website, you can do many things to earn money online. And what I like about this website is that whenever you sign up for a free account, you can instantly get $2, as you can see here on the screen. And you can also download the app for this website on Google Play Store and Apple App Store. I want you to comment down below and tell me, what kind of mobile phone are you using? Whether you're using an Android phone or using an iPhone. Now keep watching the video until the end, because I'll show you real life examples of how to do this. So basically, there are 3 easy steps. Step number 1 is to sign up, and instantly you can get $2 in bonus. And I'll show you how to get that in just a moment. Step number 2, you can take surveys and do other different offers. And then you can receive what you earned, and here you can see all the Univox rewards that you can claim on this website, including real money via PayPal. So if you want to get started and sign up for a free account, just click on this button right here, and then you can sign up by filling up this form right here. You can instantly get a $2 bonus by doing so. So right here, you're just going to put in your first name, last name, select your gender, put in your email address, and make sure you put in the right email, because they are going to send you a registration email to verify that. Put in your password and then confirm your password. Then select your birth year and birth month. Put in your address and your zip code. And don't worry, if you come from outside the US, they're accepting people all over the world. They automatically detect your country right on this box, and here you must put in the right CAPTCHA code to tick this box, and finally click on sign up. And after signing up, you'll be able to look at your profile, and dashboard is going to look something like this. Now before you click on any random stuff, I want you to go to the top right corner of this page, and as you can see, this is my username. It's a random account that I just created, and now I'm going to give you my first bonus tip. This is very important. You can see right here on top, you have 1 free spin, and I want you to go and click on this button right here, and then you will land on this page where you can see a wheel of fortune, and you can even earn money from spinning the wheel, and that money is free. How this works is in the wheel, you can see 100 points, 250 points, 500, or even 1000 points here. 100 points is equivalent to $1, which means you can easily earn from $1 to $10 every single day, and all you have to do every single day is log into your account and just click on the free spin button. So right now, all you gotta do is click on this yellow button that says spin, and the wheel will start spinning, and I will show you what your reward will get. Don't worry if you won't get any reward today, you can always spin it after 24 hours. So right now, I am going to give you the next bonus tip, and that is for you to click on this button right here that says my surveys. And here's where you can find different surveys that you can do to make even more PayPal money online. So the thing is, every time you log into your account, the surveys are automatically sorted by relevance. So you have to click this button right here and sort everything by points high to low. So as you can see here, this is where you can get the highest paying surveys right here. So for example, you're going to do the surveys, click that take survey button, and that will bring you to this page where you can start doing the surveys. After I click on the save button, it will bring us to this page where we can start answering questions and doing surveys. And it is very simple that you can do this on your phone or your computer. So after answering the questions, tick the box for your answers and then click next. You will eventually get to this page where, as you can see here, we're going to agree to the terms and conditions, tick the box right here, and then click continue. Finally, that's going to bring you to this page where we can do the surveys of the Univox community, where you can easily earn $2 in less than 3 minutes. So right now, to earn double or triple your money, I want you to go and click on your username right here, and it wants you to click on your account. Once you land on this page, I want you to click on communication preference, and under the invites per day, I want you to select 5 or more, and make sure to check your email daily because they are going to send you even more high paying surveys where you can actually earn $10 to $20 per survey into your email inbox. So for the next bonus tip where you can earn even more money on this website is I want you to click on this button right here, which is the wall of fame, and that will bring you here where you are going to see different people in the leaderboards where they are going to earn extra engagement scores, as you can see right here. Now the more engagement score that you have, the more money you can earn as bonus money, and here we can see all the different people that earned extra engagement scores by doing different surveys and logging in every single day and doing the free spins. So what I would recommend you to do is to log in every single day and do different surveys and click on the free spin button. By doing that, you will get engagement scores and they will give you free money every single month. So as you can see here, whenever you attempt on surveys, you will earn 2 scores, and when you finish one survey, you will earn 20 points. Another thing that can help you quickly earn an extra score is when you refer other people to this website. And as you can see here, you can earn a 20 engagement score right now. I want you to click on this button right here to refer a friend or other people for you to earn extra engagement scores as well as 100 points, which is equal to $1. Every time a person you refer signs up and creates a free account, here we have 2 methods. You can put that person's name and email, or you can simply copy and paste the link below and share this with your friends, and you can earn points and engagement scores. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Before we go, subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell to be updated whenever we upload new content on our channel. Don't forget to hit the like button and leave a comment down below, and as always, I'll see you guys tomorrow for a new video. Take care.